Knowing which currencies are strong and those that are weak is vital information to be aware of when trading or investing in the Forex markets. The Australian dollar, also known as Aussie, was one of the weaker currencies for the last number of years. I'm going to show you what we are seeing in the Currency Pro services and why we feel that this may be about to change. Since March of this year, the Australian dollar has begun to outperform against a number of its competitors. This may just be the early stages of significant strength going forward for the Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at some charts. In front of you is a daily chart of the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. And you can see here, since this March 2020 low, we've surged higher in quite an impulsive manner. We're still allowing for higher in what appears to be a still unfolding 5-wave advance. If we get 5 waves up off that low, that will be significant evidence to favour a trend reversal is unfolding. However, it's too early to consider 5 waves in place just yet, and it's possible that we could see much more upside in Aussie against the dollar before we get an impulse or 5 waves done. I want to highlight the nature of the price action and the fact that at this juncture we can count 5 waves unfolding, but it's possible that we could still see higher. Once we get a confirmed 5-wave advance, we allow for a corrective setback, and once that is done, we know we are set up for 5 waves higher again. So if we take the Australian dollar against the euro, it's a similar scenario here. From the March low, we've got very impulsive price action, and we also can count 5 waves not yet done, but possibly still unfolding. The Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen, here again we've got 5 waves potentially unfolding. It's impulsive price action to the upside. Finally, against the Swiss franc, here too we have a similar pattern, higher, impulsive upside price action, and what looks to be a 5-wave pattern unfolding. The fact that we're counting 5 waves up off the low is an early warning that the trend is turning across these markets. As you can see, the wave patterns and the price action suggest the tide may be turning in favour of the Aussie dollar. So if you're looking for opportunities within the Forex markets, be sure to have the Australian dollar high on your watch list.